Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So now take this net and then fix it on the hairs like this. Now fix the hairs in the net and then roll it upward by putting the stick in the between and roll the hairs like this around it to make a bun. So fix it at the end using the bun pin and then roll the hairs from the sides on the top and fix it like this. Tie all the hairs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on these sides and divide them into 3 sections. Then we'll be making the plaits on it. So now take the hairs from these sides in the very small sections and join them like this to make the plaits. Fix them one by one till the end as shown in the video. Take it like this along the hairs till the end and don't forget to take the hairs from the sides in the small sections to join them and then follow the same step for the other side. Now make a ponytail on the back and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs into 2 parts and then tie the hairs together on the sides by making the plaits like this as shown in the video. Now fold them and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides and then tie them on the back in the shape of a knot. Now on the one side, take the hairs like this and then take the hairs from the sides in the small section and make the plaits. Follow the same step for the other side, join them together and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail. Now divide it from the between, fold it upward and put the hair clutch like this. Now divide the hairs into 2 parts, make the plaits and tie them like this. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this and fold it after making the plaits and fix them on the alternative sides on the top and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the sides like this. So fold the hairs in the small section and fix the hairs in the between like this. Take it till the right side from the left side and then at the end fix it using the hair clip and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking this bun plaits and fix it on the ponytail. Now roll the hairs on the top like this and then we'll be folding it on the top and spread the hairs like this over the bun plaits and put the rubber band or the hair clip to fix it tightly and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Now take this bun stick and roll the hairs along on the top and then fix it like this in the between. Now take rest of the hairs and fold it around the rubber band on the top and put the hairpin and it's ready. Next, take this bun stick or the bun pin and roll the hairs along on the top and then fix it on the top like this by putting it in the between. Fix it tightly like this and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, we'll be taking this rubber band and fix it on the hairs on the other side by folding the hairs. Fix the ponytail on the hairs like this as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take half of the hairs and fold it using the bun stick like this. Fix it after folding the hairs and put it in the between and your hairstyle will be ready. You can put another stick in the between from the other side and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the hairs in the half section and then fold this bun rubber band or the hair rubber band you can say and fix it on the sides like this. Tie the hairs properly and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and then tie them. Now take this net and fix it on the half section of the hairs using the hairpin as shown in the video. Now fix the hairs inside it. Now roll the hairs, fold it on the top like this. As we are rolling in this video to make the bun like this on the hairs. Now after folding it properly, we'll be putting the hairpins to fix it on the top tightly from both the sides. Put this bun stick in the between like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and then using the fingers, roll it on the top like this to make a hair bun. Now spread the hairs little bit and fix it. Put the hairpin and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.